What's up, chat? So today we're playing Mobile Legends, and I'm just started yet because now my whole video is gonna be on Mobile Legends. So I wanna see how it's gonna be yet, and I don't know. Need to go change a couple settings. Now we get a chat, we get it. Comment W's, and if you like this type of videos, so don't forget to press the subscribe button. So come on, let's get it, let's get it. Oh shit. Oh. Come on. Why are we almost losing? Oh, down. Now it just so we attack this one. This type of content, so please don't forget to press the subscribe button, press the like, and so I'm gonna post more about this game seasons. Now gonna finish this, so tomorrow I'm gonna start another one, so you can see all seasons while I was playing. I was telling myself I'm gonna play YouTube channel of Mobile Legends, so now I'm here, chat. So now I'm here. So now we don't. Yes, yeah, we don't. If you wanna get another one episode, so how we say here, press the subscribe button, press the like and comment. Yes, we want to.